So I'm getting ready to show you the result of the paper trading investing that I did the other day. And what's the reason why I'm laughing is because the result is horrible. Today is Tuesday, January the 18th, and wait till you see the results of the paper trading that I did. I had started out with $1 million, so I'm clicking over here on the second icon from the bottom on the left hand side, and then I'm going to click on learning at the top. And remember, this is paper trading, so I'm clicking on paper trading here at the bottom. I started out with $1 million, and of that $1 million, I still have $22,192.08 in buying power. So that's how much of the million that I have left. But let me show you the performance. The performance shows that I lost $18,612.91. Now remember, this is fake money. This is paper trading. This is not real money. But it is amazing to see that all of the stocks and ETFs that I invested in, all of them are just like doing terrible except for three. So I'm going to click where it says P&L at the top of the list, and it's going to show you that the only thing that's doing good is Verizon, Visa, and Snowflake. These are some other ones that I added after I had uploaded the video. So if you look here, you'll see everything that I invested in with this paper trading money, and you'll see how things are doing. They are not doing well. The market is not doing well right now. I bought Facebook, and here's how it's doing. Lost 4,000, almost $5,000 there, but of course I bought about 500 shares, and so I'll show you the orders that I had. So here's my orders here, and you can see where the orders were filled. If you look where it says buy and look under buy, it shows filled. And so it shows you where these orders were filled. Now I canceled that Google one. If you can look in the middle of the screen right there, you'll see Google where I canceled that one because I was trying to figure some things out. I was trying to figure out how to buy a partial share or what's called a fractional share of Google. And so I finally figured that out. So you'll see, starting at the bottom, you'll see my Vanguard ETF that I purchased 100 shares of. And just watch as I go across here. So I purchased it at $426.70, but the price is now $423.36. And the GTC stands for good till cancel. So, that's the feature that I chose when I was making the purchase. And it shows you the time that I placed the order, and then it shows you the time that the order was filled. Now, it was filled at 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time because I chose that I wanted to make my purchase during extended hours. So I'm going to go back across and show you Triple Q, Invesco Triple Q Trust. And you'll see where I bought it, and it filled, the order's already filled. I bought 100 shares at $380.28, and now it's down to $374.32. I bought it good till cancel, and then it shows you the date and the time that I bought it, or that I put the order in on the 15th, and then it actually took the transaction today on the 18th at 4 a.m. And you'll see that I lost money of the paper trade money here. So now if I go over here, you can see how things look here for, it gives you more information about the order. So you can just take a look here. See, it's good till cancel. It's a order type is limit, and trading hours, it includes extended hours. So it'll start trading tomorrow at 4 a.m. in the morning because that's the extended hours, start at 4 a.m. and end at 8 p.m. And so you can just go across here and look at some of the orders that I have if you want to. Like you can look at Coca-Cola, which is KO is the ticker symbol, And you'll see I bought 500 shares at $61.32, and it's now $61.28, so I lost money there. And so I'm just trying to show you that the market is not doing great today, but the question becomes, when you buy this much, or when you buy a stock or buy an ETF, do you sell it when it's not doing well, or do you buy low? Do you determine, oh, this, the prices are down, and so do I buy low? What do I do? So I'm learning, and as you're watching this video, you're learning too. So you have to determine what you're going to do. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. I am not a professional trader or anything. I am just learning about this app called WeBull. And WeBull has what's called paper trading that allows you to practice on how to buy and sell stocks. And so I showed you my orders, and then I'll show you how to do a quick trade real quick here. Let me see. What's something that I can buy? Let's buy. Um, I don't know. Let me see. What will I buy here? DuPont. No. I just typed in a D just to see what might come up here. Let's buy. I don't see anything that catches my eye that starts with a D. So let me go back out. Let's buy more of the Ford motor. So here's Ford. I'm just showing you how to buy. And remember, this is paper trading. This is not real money. And so I'm going to buy more of the Ford stock. So I'm going to say I want another 100 shares, even though it's gone down. I want the order to be, order type is limit. Time enforced is good till cancel. And then I want to include extended hours, and then I'm hit paper trade. And that's how you do a purchase. And so now you see it's working. It doesn't say filled, but tomorrow morning about 4 a.m., it'll show that the order has been filled. So if you change the ticker symbol or the thing up here where it says working, you can change it to fully filled. You'll see all of my filled orders. The menu item up here. If you click on this menu item and you click on canceled, you'll see all the orders that I canceled. If you click on here, if I have any failed, I don't have any failed. But if you click on all, you'll get everything, those that are working and those that are filled and those that are canceled, okay? So that's how you do this, okay? Here's a little message here. It says Ford says Q4, and then it gives you that information. Now what you could do is you could just come on over here and get more information about the company. You click on company and you click on profile, and it gives you more information, and you can get a lot of good information. You can get analysis, what's being said about Ford, and so it looks like it's not doing that great. So, but we'll go ahead and leave that purchase on there. The analysts, are saying things about it. So I'm going to show you another way to get a better reading about what's being said about it. So I'm going to click on this hourglass here, and I'm going to put F in there for Ford, and then I'll just click on Ford Motor Company. And this is the best way to find out what's being said. So I showed you how to do paper trading. So now I'm going to show you how to get more information about the company. So you click on company here. We're talking about Ford. And then you can look at the profile, click on profile, and it tells you all about Ford Motor Company, and there's more information there, okay? Number of employees and more information about the company. And this is all on the app. You can do this on the app or you can do it on the website, okay? There's your press releases. If there's any press releases, they'll be there. Information about financials, okay, about Ford. And there you go here. And there's more financial details if you click down at the bottom there in the middle. All right, so I'll go back. Now let's look at the chart. Here's the chart for Ford. Ford did not do great today at all. I mean, you see those red candlesticks let you know things are not looking good today. And then if you go and look at the analysis says 4%. Is that 4%? Yeah, 4% says sell. Is 13% of the analysts say that it's underperforming. 35% say hold, and then 30% say buy, and 17% say strong. Those are the analysts. These are analysts. I'm not sure who they are, but Ford doesn't look that great right now. But let's look at the news. Now, it shows that it's a bullish stock right now. And the information here 2 hours ago, it says Ford Motor Company reaches a record $100 billion market cap as stock defies the SPY. What's next? So let's click on that and see what that's talking about. Just to get a little more information, Ford Company popped up about 5% higher at one point on Thursday to reach 100 billion. So you can go on there if you want to on your own and read it and check it out and see what information is there. Here's another headline. It says Ford to report special items during Q4 results. And if you want to get more information, you just click there. If you want to look at the comments and see what's going on over here, these comments are from other investors, just like you and me. Remember, these comments are from people who are actually investing into the company. They're not necessarily paper traders, but some of them might be. But I am totally a paper trader. I am learning, so I am only doing paper trading with WeBull right now. And so there's the comments. It shows to be a bullish stock at 68.42%. So this is just some good information for you. But if you want to get back to paper trading, you always want to go and click on the communicate or the community tab or community icon, which is the second icon over to the left. You have the other icon there at the bottom, but you want the community icon. Then you click on learning and then scroll down here and you see paper trading. And that's how we get back to paper trading. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you in the next one. Thank you.